First disconnect the negative side of the battery. It's size 10. And then the positive side. Unscrew this bolt, also size 10. And you can take away this part, just pull on it. And then unscrew those two bolts, also size 10. And then you can take the battery out. Then you can take this out. And then you can unscrew this part. Just turn it counterclockwise, like that. And then we can see the bulb. We have to pull on the connector and then we can take the bulb out. Just pull on it, like that. The yellow wire is on top. And then we have the broken bulb out. The new i7 bulb. Do not touch the glass with your bare fingers. You have to position it like this. This is the top of the bulb. And then when the bulb is in position, you have to do the iron part back on, like that. And then you have two hooks on both sides, one on the left and one on the right. And there you have to do the iron piece after. And then put the connector back on. And that's all. Then you have to turn this part back on. Now it's clockwise to turn it. Like that. Then we can place this part back in. And then you have to place these two hooks after that part and after that part of the chassis. That one. And that part. So you can see they grab like that, and on this side like that. You can take your wrench with a size 10, but do not over tighten it, because you can damage the battery then. That's okay. Then first connect the positive side and then the negative side. Also a size 10. And then connect the negative side. So the wiring over here. And then you can connect also this one, just push it, and that's okay. And now the bulb has to shine. Thanks for watching, guys.